I'm sure you've heard the news, there's a dog that doesn't bark. Introducing the Basenji. Most dogs bark, but not the Basenji. This unique pup doesn't bark, it yodels. Yep, that's the Basenji's signature sound. Their vocal cords are shaped a bit differently, so instead of a classic bark, they produce something that sounds more like a weird little song. One of the many reasons the Basenji is called the barkless dog. But trust us, they still have a lot to say. These clever canines are known for their curious nature and playful antics. Perfect for dog lovers who want a pet that's full of surprises. So if you're looking for a furry friend that's a bit out of the ordinary, the Basenji might just be your new best yodeling buddy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting facts about amazing dogs.